Hey people, it's a Friday, and as usual Fridays are busy for me, so I'm now going to be rushing because I need to go and pick up my child. And the thing is, I let me show you this. Basically, it's like I've see, this is the mirror. That is the mirror. And mushroom cultivation. I This is something that I've been. I thought, because I'll be, these are my mushrooms. And following this mushroom cultivation, it was very simple, like, seriously. And like, there's lots more spores that I have in the packet, but these particular mushrooms I'll be taking with me. So I thought before plucking them out, I'll do a video because this is so interesting. They even smell so nice. So I will in another video sometime I will show you all how to cultivate mushrooms. I mean, there's so many nice videos, so this is one of them. So need to rush. Yeah, I'll catch up with you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.